Very good evening, my respected President and dear friend, William Samoei Ruto, Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. This is a rare honor. It's not always that you visit countries where we have that sort of semblance of strong bond and friendship. I'm, of course, deeply touched by your sincerity, purpose, and friendship. And what's astounding is that you have this compelling charm to force me to come and visit Kenya. And, of course, Kenya is known. We grew up in Malaysia to see the heroic struggle of Jomo Kenyatta. I'm very familiar with the struggle. And I told the president that one of my dear friends is a very renowned scholar from Kenya, Ali A. Mazrui. So it's very familiar, although this, I must regret to say, that my first visit. But what is, to me, appealing as a president is your determination to push the agenda to develop this country, to ensure that Kenya becomes a great nation. And I, as a sincere friend, truly believe that you have the resolve, the tenacity, and the conviction to make it work. One aspect that also is particularly exciting for me because I am, like you, very passionate about poverty alleviation, about housing for the poor, for the masses. And when I learned this ambitious program, over 150,000 units of housing, affordable housing and housing for the poor, I mean, this exemplifies the spirit of a remarkable leadership, not only striving for power, but to make sure that the power is utilized fully into the spirit of the Kenyatta struggle to champion and assist your people. So that to me is more pronounced than the other issues that we will deliberate tomorrow, which include, of course, areas like investments and trade, to enhance. There's no excuse whatsoever for Malaysia and Kenya not to work together to enhance our bilateral relations and the trade investments. We will share the little expertise we have in semiconductor, E&E, and we're sure we can learn from you, because although the stride in terms of development is maybe more recent than ours, but with your determination, I think you will be a star in Africa. So let me thank you again. You know, it's not an exaggeration. I'm speaking as a sincere friend. We follow. You'll be surprised how much I know about you. So this visit to my mind is also something very useful for our Malaysians here, and we have brought very prominent private business captains of industry to collaborate with your team, because only through trade, investments, other than a common position in most of international issues. So thank you again, and I wish Kenya, the great nation, well.